like what is your perspective on the, let's say, the darker agenda? And we see that there's, really heavy stuff going on in Palestine and Israel at the Stargates. We've seen stuff at Maui. There's very clearly a darker energetic overlay that doesn't seem to want, people coming into their light bodies doing this work. Like what is your perspective on these? Who are they, and like how do the men who are listening play their role in helping to transcend beyond this control?
I think everything is a projection of, what is going on inside you. So where your attention goes, your energy flows. Um,
Mm,
there is obviously a karmic cycle that is being cleared on a planetary level, which means that Mother Gaia is clearing her own karma, whether it's, with like tsunamis or earthquakes or things like that. There is definitely a dark agenda working behind it as well. To what extent the two merge, I don't know, but also at the same time, for me, I specifically get told to hold a high vibrational frequency. So what I would say to advise to the people is don't give into fear. Don't give into the polarity. Hold your light, hold your vibrational frequency. That is the best that you can do. Send light to these people, send healing to the people, but also understand, guys, the people who are finding themselves in the middle of these wars, it's part of their soul contract. It's part of their experience they chose before coming here to be there, to go through whatever experience it is that they're going through. And it can be very difficult to conceptualize because it's horrible. I mean, like, children are dying. Like, I'm a mother, like, it's horrible
hmm
to see,
hmm
it's horrible to see. But from a 5D perspective, it's in divine alignment with what is happening on a karmic level to clear the earth, the planet, and everything else. So my advice would be to really try and lead by example. So it's good to have knowledge. I mean, I'm not saying you shouldn't like figure out what's going on. Like, it's really good to have knowledge, but don't get sucked into it. Don't give into
mm.
the fear. Don't be like, oh my God, like this is now happening. Then there's going to be like a solar flash, and then there's going to be this, and then there's going to be that. Like, no, no, because we have the power to create our reality. And if all of us, set the intention to create peace and unity, things will resolve themselves a lot quicker. The lesson will be easier to navigate, rather than if there's people giving into fear or sending hate or spreading hate.